Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Gmail, sign in and click your profile picture at the top right. Once the account panel opens, choose Manage your Google account, then go to the Security tab. You need to locate the Signing into Google section and click Password. You will be asked to re-enter your current password for verification. This step prevents unauthorized changes, so make sure you know the current password or have a recovery method available before proceeding. After verification, focus on choosing a strong new password. Aim for at least 12 characters mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to reduce guessing risk. Type the new password into both fields slowly to avoid typos. Use a password manager if possible to generate and store it securely. Once you confirm the match, click Change Password to commit. Google immediately applies the change across devices, so expect some sessions to require re-login. Finally, sign back into any devices or apps that were logged out and update saved passwords in your browser or password manager. Make sure to enable two-step verification for long-term protection. This prevents easy rekeying of your account by attackers. If you encounter issues or get locked out, use the recovery email or phone number you set earlier to verify identity and reset the password. If recovery fails, follow Google's account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.